unforgettable staycation ba ang hanap mo? Hindi ka bibiguin nitong glamping site ng WCC Binalonan. So tara, silipin natin. Sobrang ganda. Parang siyang cabin in the middle of a forest, yung vibe niya, yung ambience. So here, makikita nyo yung tent. Mamaya, papasilip ko yan sa inyo. We're gonna see what's inside of it. Tapos, sobrang daming puno talaga. Wait lang. Look. Diba? So, parang ka nasa middle of the forest nga. On my back pala, yan yung for bonfire. So, kapag nagpunta kayo dito ng family nyo or barkada, pwede kayong mag-bonfire dito. Ayan. So, may mga kahoy naman na available. And then, on my right side, which is yung pond, sabi nila pwede daw mag-fishing dito. So, ayun, mamingwit kayo dyan. So, let's go. Explore pa natin yung area. Ayan, parang ako talaga nasa forest. Ay, marami silang tent. Marami kayong pwedeng pagpilian na tent.
The rates is 7,000 per night, good for 4 to 5 persons. This is open to the public, but however, you have to call us in order for you to be booked.
So, ayan, pupuntahan na natin yung tent nila dito. We're gonna see what's inside of it. Oh, una pala, may nakita ko ditong ilaw. So cool. Parang talaga sa may mga woods, yung mga nakapapalagi sa mga Hollywood movies. Ayan, so ito, ayan, zipper lang yung pag-open mo ng door nila dito. Door ba? No, zipper lang yung pang-open mo dito para makapasok ka sa loob. So, let's go inside. Excited na ba kayo? Okay, wait. Okay, here you go. So, pagkapasok mo pa lang dito, bubungadin ka na ng aircon nila. And then, there's also bed na on this side. Tapos here, andito yung sink nila. So, pwede kang magluto dito. Bukod pa dito sa area na yan, meron pa dito sa loob. So, look at this one. I think this is the master bedroom or something. Ayan, okay. This is the bedroom. So, look. So, may dalawang bed dyan. So, parang pwede talaga siya for group of people. And then, another aircon. So, very social glamping talaga. And then, you also have TV po dito. Tapos, meron din silang Wi-Fi. Wait, there's more kasi meron siyang CR sa loob. So, this is really a good deal if you wanted glamping na comfortable ka. So, ayan. Camping vibe, tapos forest vibe, ganyan. So, it's really, really good.